everybody, and here are some care tips for your store-bought orchids. This is an orchid, one you might receive as a graduation or farewell gift. They're mass-produced and readily available at your local Woolies store. I know many of you treat it like a bouquet of flowers, wait till the blooms drop off and then toss it in the bin. Well, I'm here to convince you otherwise. Trust me, with a little bit of tender love and care, they will bloom again. The orchid family is the largest family of flowering plants in the world. There are at least 30,000 species of orchids. That's not including the 70,000 hybrids that exist. This one is a moth orchid, or Phalaenopsis. Phalaenopsis, yeah. Special talents include those weird-looking tendrils. In tropical rainforests, orchids are epiphytic plants that like to grow on trees. Don't be alarmed by these aerial roots growing above the surface of the soil. In nature, these roots help absorb nutrients and moisture from the air in order for the orchid to thrive. Caring for the Phalaenopsis orchid is as easy as recreating that tropical rainforest routine. Step 1. Beneath the canopy light. Don't put them in a position where they'll receive direct rays from the sun. Also, don't keep them in a dark corner as if it was growing in a cave. Put them in a position where they'd get soft, filtered sunlight close to a window or in a brightly illuminated room on a table. Just imagine them chilling out high above the ground on a branch of a tree, with a gentle sunlight filtered through the leaves casting its ominous green hue. Step 2. Moist but not drowning. In nature, the humidity and supply of steady raindrops from the trees ensure the orchid gets watered just the right amount. So only water it when it has been allowed to dry out for a few days, and a hint of moisture still remains within the soil. Avoid getting the leaves or flowers wet in the process. The orchid won't appreciate the torrential downpour. Either dunk it into a bucket of lukewarm water until the water stops shy of the nursery pot's top rim, or carefully water the soil alone, top down. Step 3. Let it breathe. It's pretty easy to want to pop it straight back into the pretty pot straight after watering it, but the orchid likes to breathe. So let all the excess water drain out of the bottom of the nursery pot before you return it into the cash pot. Otherwise, all that excess water will pool at the base and simulate a swamp. I have confidence in you. Armed with this knowledge, you're going to do just fine taking care of that orchid. In about 2 to 6 months' time, these blooms will drop off. When that time comes, say farewell to the scarring region of the spike where the flowers once were. Just slightly below that woody region, find a dormant node, which are those green bumps on the spike. Grab a clean pair of scissors or pruning shears and cut it about 1 centimeter above that dormant node. Pretty soon you'll see new foliage and a spike going from that same node. Wait another 3 months and it'll reward your patience by blooming again. Hope you enjoyed this video because the symmetry on these orchid blooms are enchanting. If you want to be there when this orchid blooms once again, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what color blooms you're digging. Bye!